I realized that most of our hospitality is governed by the international chains. There are Indian chains which respect India as there is a large quantum of we have 3 4 Indian chains, whereas we have got 15 of them are international ones. And they are all conceived sitting in some air conditioning office in US where they don't understand what we are. Look at the kind of architecture variety we have. Look at the kind of colors we enjoy. And when it comes to international chains, they only like beige and grey because they use beige and grey there. They don't understand the value. राजस्थान में, गुजरात में मैं अगर कलर नहीं वापरूंगा तो कैसे चलेगा? How is the festivity? What is the celebration? Our moods are. हमारे माँ के पेट में किसी को धर्म नहीं लगता है. जब हम इस दुनिया में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, आते हैं, हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस बनता है, तब हमको पता चलता है हम हिंदू है, मुस्लिम है, सिख है, ईसाई है. बट बिफोर दैट देयर इज नो रिलीजन टू अस. Once you come here, you learn the values of your life. You learn from the surrounding, from your parents, from your teacher, from your colleagues, from your all the surrounding. You learn the value of the life, and from there, you perform the karmas. We need to ensure that the traditional values, without being lost, should be incorporated. Leaving your signature of time today, it has to be contemporary. That is what my biggest point would be. But I think so, one thing which is very important for us, we should learn, I think so. There is a concept of pecha kucha, which most of us know because Kolar has been promoting too much of pecha kucha over this. But you know, it was invented by architects, and that is in Japan. They realize that we architects talk the most because we can't control ourselves. I am included in that. So please excuse me. We had a wonderful day today, learning a lot of things on. As a professional, I feel that we learn a lot of things here in terms of net zero as well as in terms of the last one, which was real firepower between the modern and the vernacular architecture. How do you define it? It was a good session. So I do a lot of public spaces, and I feel that it has to have its own identity. You can't create even an architecture if you are doing a palace architecture or a very heritage kind of look and architecture. For us, even that building needs to make a different statement. And I specialize in hospitality, and I think so Parulben has given some fantastic examples of how do we define it. Now, over a period of time, in my 35 years of practice, I realized that most of our hospitality is governed by the international chains. There are Indian chains which respect India as. There is a large quantum of, we have 3 4 Indian chains, whereas we have got 15 of them are international ones. And they are all conceived sitting in some air conditioning office in US where they don't understand what we are. We as an Indians are wonderful. We have, you name it, from Shunya, what she showed to us, to today's time, what we can reach to moon, southern hemisphere of the moon. I think so. We have wonders. We have done wonders. Only thing, we have not exploited ourselves. We have not looked inside in ourselves. I will tell you, and for me, why this is very important, because last couple of years, I have been trying to create a niche and try to identify how do we create your individual, each and every individual hotels which look different. Because for us, let's think every 50 kilometers, our dialect change, our food habit changes. So what happens is, when we have so much of variety, how can one, I believe, look at the women here. Everybody is wearing a different kind of attire, different kind of sarees, and they all look pretty. We all eat so much of different variety of food. She showed some one brilliant side which I was never aware about. How many number of soils, what kind of food type, what kind of agro-climatic conditions are there. It is something which we must respect it. And if we can bring in our design, I think so we have achieved it. So what of lately, couple of years, and COVID gave me a bigger insight of myself, and I started writing design stories. So getting into design story, trying to get something which is more kind of into where you can understand how things can move from, how you can give a niche or a direction to your design, and it helps a lot. I realize that it helps us so much. Every time you look into it, you will be able to create something which is different. So we were just mapping out. I asked my office, so these are the dots which are there on a map of India, which shows the different sites in the country where tourism is possible. Now tourism is something which is hospitality. I think so. ये पूरा मैप है ना, इसमें पूरा रेड दिख सकता है, पूरा रेड. आई थिंक सो वी वॉक probably 4 kilometers from here, you will find something else coming up. There is a temple there, so people visit that. So there is so much of travel, and today statistics is that we are local domestic travel has gone twofolds from 1920 to as on date 23. We were 2.4 billion travels happening. Today it has gone beyond 4.5 billion. Domestic travel which is happening across the country. This is all kind of travel for religious purpose, for celebration, for leisure. Look at the kind of architecture variety we have. You look at the modern contemporary, look at the kind of colors we enjoy. So much of brilliance of colors. And when it comes to international chains, they only like beige and grey because they use beige and grey there. They don't understand the value. राजस्थान में, गुजरात में मैं अगर कलर नहीं वापरूंगा तो कैसे चलेगा? How is the festivity? What is the celebration? Our moods are. पारुल बहन बोल रही है कि अनोखी ने seasons निकाला. पेरिस भी वही करता है, हम भी वही करते हैं, हम भी वही चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी एक्सप्रेशन अलग अलग चीज़ों से इंस्पायर्ड होकर अलग अलग तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए. So I am going to show you couple of projects and sites. There are more number of slides. This is not 15 pecha kucha, but I would like to finish off in 15 minutes. So Pilibhit House is one project which was on Ganga. जब गंगा पे जाते हैं तो पहली चीज़ ये रियलाइज करते हैं कि गंगा में लोग स्नान करने जाते हैं, और स्नान करने जाते हैं तो किस लिए जाते हैं? किस लिए? किसी को ख्याल आ रहा है? पाप धोने के लिए बड़ा है. सो ये पाप धोने वाला चक्कर है ना लाइफ में, जब जिंदा है आदमी तभी भी करता है, और मरने के बाद में भी हम लोग उसके बेचारे के पाप धोते हैं. सो ये मोक्ष है, और मोक्ष एक बहुत ही अहम स्टेज है लाइफ का, हिंदू लाइफ फिलॉसफी का, पुरुषार्थ का. अभी ये जो पीलीभीत हाउस था, एक पुरानी हवेली थी जिसके लिए हमने, और वो आर्किटेक्चर इतना ऐप्ट था कि जब हम लोग देख रहे थे, स्टडी कर रहे थे, मेडिटेट कर रहे थे लॉकडाउन के अंदर, हमने रियलाइज़ किया पुरुषार्थ इज़ एब्सोल्युटली राइट फिलॉसफी फॉर दिस. क्योंकि उसके अंदर एक वेस्टिब्यूल था एंटर करने के लिए, उसके अंदर एक कोर्टयार्ड था. आर्किटेक्चर इटसेल्फ वाज ब्रिलियंट बिकॉज गंगा को खुल के जो हवा आती थी, गर्म हवा आती थी, कोर्टयार्ड से ऊपर चली जाती थी. सो द कोर्टयार्ड एक्टेड इज अ वेरी गुड पैसिव एनर्जी सेविंग, पैसिव कूलिंग एलिमेंट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी. इट वाज इन रूइंस. और यहाँ पे लेट प्रदीप सचदेवा जी वॉज द आर्किटेक्ट असाइन, बट देन अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिफोर द प्रोजेक्ट कुड टेक ऑफ टू मच, ही कुड नॉट. देन we along with Sachdeva's office combinedly together finished the architecture, and we did the complete interior for the same. But look at the way it is. So you will find the plan which is there. So if you look at this, this is the vestibule which is the first phase of Purushartha Dharma. हमें किसी को धर्म नहीं है, हमारे माँ के पेट में किसी को धर्म नहीं लगता. जब हम इस दुनिया में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, आते हैं, हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस बनता है, तब हमको पता चलता है हम हिंदू है, मुस्लिम है, सिख है, ईसाई है. बट बिफोर दैट देयर इज़ नो रिलीजन टू अस. वंस यू कम हियर, यू लर्न द वैल्यूज ऑफ योर लाइफ. यू लर्न from the surrounding, from your parents, from your teacher, from your colleagues, from your all the surrounding. You learn the value of the life, and from there you perform the karmas. ये जो कर्म करते हैं हम, वो उसको enjoy भी करते हैं. फिर वो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे कर्म वैसी भरनी, वैसे कर्म करो, वैसे ही आप एंजॉय करते हो, वैसे ही भरते हो, उसका भुगतान भी आप वही देते हो. और लास्ट में जो end of the life, हमको सबको जो जाना होता है वो is the end of the life is moksha. So there is this Haveli which was in ruins. We had Dharma, Artha, which was a courtyard where you come here from this vestibule of entry, you see a large courtyard which gives you exposure of the life. And then this is a staircase which goes to Ganga, which is at last as the moksha. And this is the public area where we do our karma and enjoy kama. That is the phase of the life. And then you go at the moksha. So in this, we also felt that this Pilibhit house should be a great expression for Shivji. Vishnu is very strongly present here, but this is the first time we experimented that religion can be incorporated in design philosophies. And we can't bring religion to the public spaces, but we brought it very subtly, we expressed it very subtly. And what we did, got inspired for the color palette was temple colors. We used temple colors for that, जिसके अंदर हर किस्म के गुलाल. Now we did not restrict ourselves with traditional gulal colors, but we used contemporary gulal colors also. So you will find that the color palettes will reflect this. This was the Haveli earlier. And the most commendable thing is this was completed in lockdown. And this is what it got restored to. So the point is that there are certain architecture which we need to respect. We need to ensure that those values are not lost. Those thought processes are not lost. But as far as interior is concerned also, we also ensured that we only refer to Indian details. Because Haridwar as an Hindu location, and we once upon a time we debated that we wanted some Indian details which could be influenced from even from Rajasthan, which could be brought over here. But we said, no, we will only use principally Indian Hindu details over there in this particular project. So this is what it looks like Ganga. There is Ganga Snan happening, Ganga Aarti happens at the side. So you could just take a deep from here. So what did we do? We wanted to represent Shiv. So this old Haveli door was not done in a regular, but it was done in a blue color, which is a Neelkant color. So expression of Shiv was represented over there in Neelkant color. And this is the vestibule which is there. So if you look at this, this is a very warm, welcoming carpet philosophy, carpet done over there, but very much in an Indian pattern. And what we did was that it was a rebirth. So we used old doors and windows panels which were there existing at the side. We just refurbished them and we put it there with few artifacts which were there in that Haveli. So that was the rebirth of the complete artifacts and architecture which was displayed in this vestibule. This is what we tried to put them in smaller. There were very small artifacts which we discovered when we were restoring this. And in the center of this courtyard was placed Nandi. Now again a Nandi which generally you find in front of a Shiv temple, which is either black or white. This time we said we don't want Nandi to be spoken as a Nandi, but this should be representation of Shiv, and that's why we did Nilkant color there also. Now this is again the axis wise. When you come, you enter here, you see you are looking at the Ganga over there at the bottom, and Nandi is facing the Ganga. So again that respect to Shiv has been presented over here. So this is the courtyard which is there, and that's the lobby which is there. So it's so much of interaction, the flow, the point. So again, I would say that contemporizing and making a signature for a project which is done in today's date, we need to ensure that the traditional values without being lost should be incorporated, leaving your signature of time today. It has to be contemporary. That is what my biggest point would be, that we can't make, it is so easy to replicate. I can look whatever chairs which are there left by colonial Britishers and I can just copy it and make it, but I think so it's not fair enough. Again, how Shiv has been represented here as a very important aspect of it is, we created this art, especially behind the reception back, where this is made out of Rudraksh. We use 1050 Rudraksh here to create these graphical clouds with a Damru over there as a piece of art which says that Shiv is present up there in the sky, in the clouds, where he's sitting in Himalayas. Again, look at the colors. So when I talk about contemporary colors, you have a regular gulal color and a contemporary blue color, which is regularly used in Holi today. We had another challenge over here, which was being on the bank of Gangas, that the kind of humidity levels during, especially during monsoons, are so very high. We had no resort, but we had to use hard floor and permanent floor. And we realized that with the glass enclosure, which is mandatory from FHRI, that the acoustics were becoming, I thought, would become a very big challenge. So we introduced the shear here, but inside the volume was much more lesser. So what we did was we used those holy book stands. We disintegrated them and put them in the various angles on the wall to create it as an art and to use it for the acoustical purpose so that the sound was diffused. And I think so we succeeded in, by doing this, we succeeded to a very great extent in controlling the sound in the inner areas where currently these panels are being put in the various angles in order to arrest the sound and make it more acoustically conducive. Here, these are Kalash which hangs on Shivling. So while walking to the market, we realized that this is something which is very religious, but we converted this into a light. The panels which I was talking about. And this is that ceremonial passage which leads to Ganga. And this is, we wanted it to be more detailed, highlighted, so that when you are passing by, life is full of ceremony. It's a full of celebration which we should respect to it, because we are born here and we have to live a respectful life, and that celebration is represented by a number of details along the staircase. Even in guest rooms, the guest rooms are very simple. They are very simplified version of contemporary representation of a hotel, which requires bed, bedside table, writing desk or dining desk. But what we represent here was this graphical art which is come behind as a, if you look at this very closely, you will find some waves in blue colors, and this is a muddy color which is there. Ganga, 9 months in the year is of this color. The reason it is carries so much of soil across from the Himalayas that it is in this color, and that's what we represented with flower petals which are given away while worshipping the Ganga. So that was a representation, because this accentuation, this kind of detailing which we want is something what represents, people remember as memorize, remember, and their memories are fresh and alive, so that they remember this particular property from any other property which will be there in Haridwar. So currently it's a big challenge for us. We are doing 2 more them in Haridwar and 3 of them in Varanasi, and all of them are blessed by Shiv. So what do we do about it? We think hard, we have to research. So we are doing one in Varanasi where we are using the philosophy of Om Namah Shivaya. I never went into it and I never realized what Om Namah Shivaya means. But when I started researching, I realized Namah Shivaya is nothing but 5 elements of this planet. So this is another representation. That was a very traditional one. This is in Rajasthan, Jaipur, Devi Ratan. Again, if you look at this, this was an existing architecture done by 2 of my colleagues earlier, a couple of years back. But then we added a lot of things, respecting those things. So what is the value need to be added? Aniket was the one who initiated this concept of, but I think so then Pronit took over. Now look at the way the old values are contemporized. How do you look at them? This is something which is very important. Devi Ratna is the name of the property. Ratna means we are talking about gems. Now, if you look at this, this is the new building which we created for them. It is the inspiration, architecture, earlier architecture is the inspiration of Jantar Mantar, and that was respected, and we completed this circle of dial which is there. These are the guest rooms, I will not say. But you look at this sparkle. Now Ratna has been incorporated here. How do we add the value which Parul was talking about? Being local, use one art craft, use all the other materials and all the other features which we can do it over here. Now this is Ratna we took diamond as an inspiration in the guest room. Diamond, this is a sparkle of representation, graphical representation of diamond. The way the art is also been taken. So the traditional art was converted to pop art. And this is the representation which was done in the property. I will go to the pictures. Mood board again. The kind of color palette which we wanted. Now see this. These are the sparkles created by, this is using traditional mirror work which is done in Rajasthan. Now this is something what we incorporated here, representing diamond as a ratna, and those sparkles are coming up in the graphic manner. There was an art panel larger than the conventional art which we put up here. This was an old door, but eventually we had to compromise and put it as an art, something which was flat. We wanted a 3D actual wooden door to come up over here, representing the tree of life, the other details of Rajasthan, and along with that, one black chandelier which represents the strong power and the royalty of Rajasthan. So that is what we wanted to be over here. Now the renders which were there, and you will see these are the actual ones. So what was presented and there is a very fine gap which we leave between what is presented and what is finally delivered. So again, the corridors, the corridor spaces, the conferences. This is the architecture. So again, very large projection, because the projections we took this side also were pretty large, but the other side also is very large because it's a south-facing architecture. But we had no other choice but to put it in the circle which is there. And this is the actual building. That's all. Thank you.